Today we'll be talking about how to shut down this iPhone 12 or 13 or any higher version. So let's get started. There are two different ways of shutting down your iPhone. The first and the easiest way is you can just go to the settings here, and in the settings you can scroll all the way to general. Click on the general option and then scroll all the way down, and you will see this option shut down. And all you need to do is just slide this button to power off. This is one way. The other way to shut down your iPhone is using the combination of two different keys, the power key, or this is no more known as a power key, we call it the right key. So you need to press and hold the right hand side key, and this key, the volume up key. So you just need to press and hold these two together. Let me just try it for you. So here I go, pressing both the keys together for some time, and you will see the option comes up here, slide to power off iPhone. So these are two different ways you can shut down your iPhone 12, 13. So I hope that you will find this video useful. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot.